Hi guys, it's Shriya here and welcome back to my channel, My Perfume Diaries. In today's video, I will be sharing my Scentopia perfumes haul with you guys. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 new perfumes to talk to you about, and all of these fragrances are from Middle Eastern houses. Some are from Arabiat, then I have from Latafa and Paris Corner. So let's begin with the haul. Before we begin, make sure कि आपने मेरे channel पे subscribe कर लिया है, you hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. So like I told you before, I've purchased all of these fragrances from ScentopiaPerfumes.com. I have a non-affiliated discount coupon code if you're interested, and I leave the details here of the discount coupon code in case you want to avail. It's non-affiliated, feel free to use it or not, and also I'll leave the details in the description box for you to check out. Let's begin with the first set of perfumes. Both of these are from Arabiat. Now these kind of became viral some time back, but when they came out viral, I already had too many perfumes to review, so I kind of like did not purchase them. And then of course, as always, I got this FOMO that I'm missing out on some great perfumes because I was hearing so much about these, and on my feed, on Instagram, everywhere I was seeing like perfume influencers talking about this one, and I was like, you know what, Arabiat never disappoints. So I got these two from Arabiat Prestige. The first one is Blackcurrant Lolly, which is this purple bottle, and the second is Raspberry Ripple. Now, in all honesty, out of the two, I was more interested into Raspberry Ripple because I'm so into raspberry perfumes right now, so I just wanted to test and try this one. But then I thought, you know what, if I'm getting this one, might as well take this one, because then I can do a review on both of these together because they're released together. So yeah, I'll show you the bottles now. So Arabiat Prestige perfumes are potent, they are really good performers, but they come with a price tag. So this is how both the bottles look like. They have a beautiful kind of like this marble finish going on to them. The bottle looks absolutely gorgeous. Also love the dimensions, like not too thick, not too thin, just perfect. And you know what, Arabiat fragrances, they are potent, they perform really well, suit Indian weather and all of that, but they do come with a price tag. These are 5,000 each. So I know these are very expensive. At Scentopia Perfumes, you can still find them around 3,500 or 4,000. But still they are expensive, right? So now Blackcurrant Lolly is your sweet floral blackcurrant with some kind of like strong floral hints, and also has a very powdery feel to it. Like, this perfume definitely reminded me of the 90s talcum powder, like 90s fragrances or 90s ka talcum powder, especially the lavender kind of a talcum powder. This one kind of has the reminder of that. It does go very powdery on me, and it's like super feminine and very beautiful everyday kind of a fragrance. And Raspberry Ripple was not a disappointment, so I was very excited on this one, and the moment I tried it, I was like, yes, this is exactly what I was looking for. This is super gorgeous. The strong kick of raspberry is what I needed, and that's exactly what it is. Slightly jammy to my nose, again has floral nuances as well, but this is gorgeous. If you are into raspberry fragrances, you do not want to miss it. There's one thing which is very irritating for me about this packaging, is like it is slanted in one direction. So unless and until you kind of like calculate and put the cap properly, it just keeps toggling here and there. And in the morning, I really, when I'm getting ready for office, I don't have patience. Okay, so most of the time I just leave the cap here and I only take the bottle with me. Let's move on to Paris Corner. I have two perfumes from Paris Corner, and out of these two, Peach de Loulou is something that I've already done a full length review. So this one is already available on my channel, but I'll still kind of give you like a short summary of what this perfume is about. This is how Peach de Loulou bottle looks like, sunset in a bottle, and this is kind of like a tropical vacation sort of a fragrance. This literally smells like that spicy guava peach soda pop drink that you get, in which glass के ऊपर मिर्ची और नमक लगा रहता है, and it just has this fizziness to it. This is literally that in a bottle. The guava in here is super strong as compared to peach, and the spiciness in this is so prominent that if it hits your nose, you will literally start sneezing. It's just similar to how pepper or जब लाल मिर्च या black pepper नाक में चढ़ता है ना, that's exactly this spiciness feels like. So if you are not into spicy fragrances, stay away from this one. You will not like it. And only if you like guava rich fragrances is when you should try this one. Now the next perfume is Minia, and this is Caramel Dolce, and look at the packaging on this one. This is from their Minia series from Paris Corner, and this is how gorgeous this bottle looks like. Just look at this one. You know what, I'm a huge fan of Minia series from Paris Corner. All the two Minias that I have, the white and the green one, they have not disappointed, and this one also. This feels like caramel popcorn with sweetness, some saltiness, and just so gourmand. This is sweet, edible, and literally has a very strong buttery popcorn caramel note to it. Just the kind of fragrance that you get when you enter a movie theater or a hall. The counters where they sell popcorn, वहाँ पे जाते ही साथ एक wisp आता है ना popcorn का. This is the bottle. I've been loving this one and wearing it every single day because this is something which is all year around sort of a gourmand fragrance for me. In fact, all the three Minias, they are very wearable gourmands. So love this one. And I'm super impressed by Paris Corner for doing this. Like, Paris Corner knows how to do sweet gourmand fragrances. Period. Last three from Lattafa, and this one is Oud Mood. Now, Oud Mood is a cult favorite and a classic fragrance from the house of Lattafa, and you will be very shocked on seeing the dent on this one. I have been really going crazy and using this one because of rainy season and now onset of winters. I'm just gravitating a lot towards this perfume. Also, this perfume is very close to my heart. It is one of the first perfumes that I had gifted to my husband, and he absolutely loved it. And then now I have gotten it for myself and I am absolutely loving it. And half of the reason for me loving this fragrance is not just the scent profile, but because he loves it. So I just kind of inspired to like this one, but the scent profile is really my type. This is caramel, sweetness, woodiness, oud, everything in a bottle. Like sweet, slightly rosy, slightly oudy, slightly woody. It's mature, it is sweet, it is perfect unisex, and it's a perfect Diwali or Indian festive or shadi season kind of a fragrance. This is similar to Shagaf Oud, but a very milder version of Shagaf Oud, I'll say. And also this is similar to Lattafa's Sheikh Al Shuyuk Luxe edition. So if you have those, you don't really need this one, maybe repetitive in your collection. But I just love this as a layering combination. I use this one as a layering combination for all of my oud based fragrances. This just adds a very nice, very mature enhanced layer. So love this one. See the dent, going quite crazy for it. Oud Mood का ही मैंने एक flanker भी लिया. This is Oud Mood Elixir, and मुझे इसका Oud Mood का वो white वाला bottle भी लेना है. मुझे उसका नाम नहीं पता, but this is the Elixir variant. ये brown वाला variant है. I find this one also to be very similar to the original Oud Mood. This is how the bottle looks like. तो इसमें ribbon जो है वो ऐसे beige to brown color की है. इस वाले perfume में मुझे oud थोड़ा सा sharp लगता है. To my nose थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा शार्प है, क्योंकि ये मुझे ना फिर एक अंडरलाइंग डेटॉल जैसा एक फील देना शुरू कर देता है. तो ये थोड़ा सा एनिमलिक ऊद है और इसमें स्वीटनेस थोड़ी कम है. तो मुझे लगता है कि ये थोड़ा सा और मैस्कुलिन लीनिंग है वर्जन ऑफ Oud Mood. तो आई थिंक दैट माई हस्बैंड विल एंजॉय दिस वन मोर एज कम्पेयर टू मी. बट nonetheless, since I use Oud Mood for layering, I think this also does really well for layering. But out of the two, I personally love the original Oud Mood more than the Elixir variant. The last perfume that I just cannot stop talking about on my channel is Musammam White Intense. This is how the packaging is. This is the quality sticker. Love the bottle. Love how luxe this one looks. This is how the bottle is. This is a backup bottle worthy kind of a fragrance. This gets over, I'm going to repurchase. Love the presentation, looks like a clutch bag. And this is actually, they should do this now. They should make like clutch bags instead of these boxes. Good idea. So yeah, we'll come back to the topic. So this is how Musammam White Intense looks like, and this is your white floral meets coconut meets sweetness in a bottle with some yellow floral hints to it, like ylang mixing up with coconut and lots of fruitiness. Absolutely divine, classy, elegant, beautiful fragrance. This has easily made it to one of my top 10s from Lattafa for life. Very classy, and I'm somebody who really enjoys using coconut based fragrances. They stick really well to my skin and my clothes. Very projective, and coconut fragrances work really well on me. This is mind-blowing. This is a banger. performs really well and is a complete paisa vasool in my opinion. So those are all the 7 fragrances that I got from ScentopiaPerfumes.com. Now today's haul was very satisfying because I absolutely love all the fragrances that I got. Especially Minia Caramel Dolce is my number 1 pick from this haul. Then both the fragrances from Arabiat, gorgeous, and Oud Mood, where what can I say, like there's nothing to hate in this haul. Peach Delulu is something which is last on my list because the spiciness does kind of like, you know, sometimes I'm not able to wear that fragrance because it's very mood specific for me. It's not something that I can wear all the time. But remaining all the fragrances are absolute love. So that's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed watching this haul. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye.